Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to discuss the example for complex number. So kindly refers to the question. So given we have the z sub 1 which is equals to 2 plus I and we have the z sub 2 which is equals to 1 minus 3I. So kindly express the w which is equals to the situation. So what we have to do is to substitute the z1 and also the z2. So here we have the w which is equals to the conjugate for z sub 1. So here we have 2 minus I, which is the conjugate for the z sub 1. Multiply with the z sub 2. Here we have 1 minus 3I. Plus, we have the division. So here we have the z sub 1, which is 2 plus I over the conjugate for the z sub 2. So focus on the imaginary part. From negative 3, we have become positive 3I. So kindly focus on the front part where we have to expand. So w will be equals to, we have 2 minus 6I minus I, and then we have negative I multiplied with the negative 3I. So we will have negative 3. So kindly simplify the situation. So we will have w, which is equals to 2 minus 3, we have negative 1. Negative 6I, negative I, we have negative 7I. That is the front part. Focus on the second part where we have the division. So in this part, what we have to do is to make sure that the denominator become the real number. So by multiply with the conjugate where we have 1 minus 3I. So focus on the numerator part where we have to expand. So if we expand, we will have 2 minus 6I plus with the I and then plus with the 3 over. Refers to the denominator part where we have multiply by the conjugate. So by referring to the formula where we have the a squared plus b squared. So here we will have 1 plus with the 9. So kindly simplify the situation. So plus the situation, we have 2 plus with the 3, we have 5 over 10. Negative 6i plus with the I, we will have negative 5i over 10. So kindly simplify. So w, which is equals to negative 1 plus with 1 over 2 due to the 5 over 10. Negative 7i minus with I over 2. So kindly simplify the situation. So w in the form of Cartesian where we will have negative 1 over 2 minus 15i over 2. So that is a situation with Cartesian form or a plus bi. So we already expressed the w. Next is it hence find the modulus and also the argument of w and then express w in the form of polar form. So first what we have to do is to express the situation in the Argand diagram. So according to the W, where we have the third quadrant, because the real part is on the left hand side because of negative, and the imaginary part in the bottom part where we have the negative. So let's say this is the W. Find the modulus. So the modulus of W will be equals to square root of A squared, where we have 1 over 4, plus the B squared, where we have 225 over 4. So we will have the answer square root of 226 over 4. Kindly simplify. We have the square root of 226 over 2. That is the modulus of W. Continue. Find the basic angle where we have the alpha. So tangent alpha where we have y over x, or we can say b over a. So do remember, ignore the negative sign. So where we will have 15 over 2 over 1 over 2. So if we simplify the situation, so we will have alpha, which is equals to 86.19 degree. So that is the basic angle. Next, what we have to do is to find the argument of w. So here will be the starting point, and this one will be the argument of w. So the argument of w is equals to negative 180. Why negative 180? Because as we know from here to this part, which is negative 180 degree. Then we have to opposite the situation, means that we have to minus the alpha. Plus, we have 86.19 degree. Why plus? Because in this situation, we have the negative sign. So if we reverse the process, we will have positive. So kindly simplify the situation. Argument of w will be equals to negative 93.81. So in the form of radian, it will be negative 1.64, or we can say 1.637 radian. Finally, expressed in the form of polar. So we will have W, which is equals to R, which is square root of 226 over 2, bracket, cos negative 1.64 plus I sine, bracket, negative 1.64. So here we are, and thanks for watching. If you are new here, kindly consider subscribing to this channel and share this video to your friend. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye.